Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to download Fortnite on Chrome on your PC using a Chromebook. While Fortnite is not officially available on Chrome OS, we're going to use a workaround to get it installed. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. You can do this by clicking on the app launcher in the bottom left corner of the screen and selecting the Google Play Store icon. Once you're in the Google Play Store, search for Crossover in the search bar. Install the Crossover app on your Chromebook. Next, visit the Fortnite website in your Chrome browser. Click on the download button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Here, click either on PC or Mac and choose Windows. Wait for a few seconds to complete the downloading process. Once the download is complete, open the Crossover app on your Chromebook. Click on the Install button next to Fortnite. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Fortnite on Chrome on your PC using a Chromebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or requests for future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.